Dear viewers, listeners, and readers. Assalamu alaikum. The employees of public and private sectors often fall in confusion how to know about the laws, rules, and regulations governing their respective service. In such condition they remain unaware of their duties and rights. Consequently, they fall prey to confusion and feel handicapped to ensure service delivery as required. Sometimes they lose their jobs. Departments/organizations also suffer. In order to sensitize the employees, this lecture series has been prepared. It is also aimed at creating awareness about various laws, rules, and regulations and aspects of public administration. The content of the lecture shall not be quoted in any kind of legal matter or reproduce in making legal claim, etc. I hope that the series will help the employees to know various laws/rules, understand different dynamics/aspects of their respective employment, and get them prepared for discharging their duties and responsibilities with peace of mind and up to the optimum level with efficiency and dedication in the public interest. The lecture series. Today lecture number 9 of the series is presented to honorable viewers, listeners, and readers. Topic of the lecture is harassment of women at workplace. Women work in private and public sectors. Their majority renders their services in the former sector. Of and on incidents of harassment of women at workplace are reported in electronic, print and social media. It is necessary for woman worker to remain aware of laws and rules which provide protection to them. Workplace is a place where work takes place or duties are performed. This may be office of public or private sector, place of factory without formal office environment or personal business, etc. According to subsection N of Section 2 of the Protection Against Harassment of Women at the Workplace Act 2010, workplace means the place of work or the premises where an organization or employer operates and includes building, factory, open area, or a larger geographical area where the activities of the organization or of employer are carried out, and including any situation that is linked to official work or official activity outside the office. The Chapter 1, Articles 8 to 28, of the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan provides for the fundamental rights of the citizens of Pakistan. Article 25 provides as under: 1. All citizens are equal before law and are entitled to equal protection of law. 2. There shall be no discrimination on the basis of sex. 3. Nothing in this article shall prevent the state from making any special provision for the protection of women and children. Article 26 Constitution provides as under: 1. In respect of access to places of public entertainment or resort not intended for religious purposes only, there shall be no discrimination against any citizen on the ground only of race, religion, caste, sex, residence, or place of birth. 2. Nothing in Clause 1 shall prevent the state from making any special provision for women and children. Thus making of discriminatory law against women is unconstitutional. Moreover, aforementioned constitutional provisions extend protection to women. There are various laws enforced in Pakistan for the protection of women. The Parliament, Majlis-e-Shura, of Pakistan passed special law for providing protection against harassment of women at workplace. It is known as the Protection Against Harassment of Women at the Workplace Act 2010. According to subsection H of Section 2 of the Act, harassment means any unwelcome sexual advance, request for sexual favors or other verbal or written communication or physical conduct of a sexual nature or sexually demeaning attitudes, causing interference with work performance or creating an intimidating, hostile or offensive work environment, or the attempt to punish the complainant for refusal to comply to such a request or is made a condition for employment. The Act requires every organization to constitute inquiry committee for probing the complaints lodged by a woman worker. Its Section 3 provides constitution of inquiry committee consisting of 3 members, of whom at least 1 member shall be a woman. For the protection of women against harassment at workplace, ombudsman is required to be appointed at provincial and federal levels. The Section 7(1) of the Act provides, the respective governments shall appoint an ombudsman at the federal and provincial levels. The Section 11 of the aforementioned Act says about responsibility of employer. It provides, it shall be the responsibility of the employer to ensure implementation of this Act, including but not limited to incorporate the Code of Conduct for Protection Against Harassment at the Workplace as a part of their management policy and to form inquiry committee and designate authority. It further provides, the management shall display copies of the code in English as well as in language understood by the majority of employees at conspicuous place in the organization and the workplace. Every woman worker must read the aforementioned Act and other laws which guarantee her rights and extend protection against discriminatory laws and harassment. In this way a woman may perform her duties with sense of protection, without any fear and peace of mind. It is in the interest of a woman and the state.